Hey yo, Jim, man, why don't you kick some of that, you know? You know how you do it, man. It's a trip, people don't even believe we're together right now. But tell your story, you know the one I like. Say it for me.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born.
Alright guys, we've just arrived at SEMA. It's day 2. We're going through the West Hall today, which is all the performance oriented parts and the performance companies. Hopefully looking to meet a lot of our suppliers today in the performance hall. So yeah, let's see how today goes. Is vlogs so good?
Yeah, they're decent. Got enough animals, so I've grabbed a couple.
So this is the West Hall. I think we're in the wrong hall here because it's all trucks and like 4x4 stuff. So now we go to the central hall. That's the hall that we need to go to, the central hall. Done South Hall yesterday, so we're going to the central hall. Right, let's go. Let's take the sky bridge. Oh, let's go from the outside.
Hi.
So, central hall. From my shop.
Yeah.
Very common to see a hole in Dada block. I've not tried your sleeves yet. Okay, these blocks. Popular engine for you guys?
Oh, super popular.
Yeah?
That's why I put it up here because we sell a ton of these things. Yeah.
Nice, man. Sweet. I'll be in touch for McLaren and Audi stuff. Thanks.
You said a good one.
Sick, right?
That's sick.
And then we developed these billet axles, which handle 2,000 horsepower.
2,000 horsepower.
2,000 horsepower billet. This is my baby.
You got a car?
I have my cards didn't come in. So my Instagram is R33 Skyline GTR. I have the largest collection of Skylines in North America.
Nice.
So it's pretty crazy. If you see that guy Alex Martini, he did a video of my garage and went like super viral, Mr. GTR.
There are a lot of GTRs in the US?
Yeah, so next year is the 25-year rule is up. So everyone's bringing their R35.
Oh, no way.
So in the United States, the car has to be 25 years old for you to import from like another country. So yeah, so like next year is 1999. So old and 99 R34s are going to be coming. That's why. Well, that's why the prices of these cars have gone through the roof. Now, when I saw this happening, I wanted to develop something because all these guys, their cars have been sitting there for 7 years, and now they don't know, their engines are probably shot, and they're going to need replacement, and no one has a replacement. The only replacement is Mines and HKS, but their setups are all over 50,000.
Can you buy, like for example, can you buy a block from Nissan for that engine?
You can buy a block from Nissan, but not the head.
Not the head?
The head is completely discontinued, and that's why I developed this, and we're developing a cast head. Right. So it's the OEM head. Nice. So basically I'm doing all the parts that are discontinued that Nissan won't remake. Like they don't want to remake the seats because their fabric that they were using isn't flame retardant. In the 25 years ago, they weren't thinking about flame. Now they can't even redo the seats because the fabric is not flame retardant. So that's why I developed these seats.
Very similar with McLaren stuff. So with McLaren, you can't buy the block, but you can buy the head. You can't buy the crank, but you can buy the piston pins. Yeah, you can only buy like some things. So all the things that you can't buy, we're currently manufacturing ourselves.
Nice.
I know there's going to be a market for them.
Oh yeah, so, definitely.
Cool, man. Awesome.
Yeah. So we're doing the same thing, same vision.
Yeah,
you're just doing McLaren, I'm doing Nissan.
Yeah, man, that's cool. So man, keep up. Let's keep in touch.
Yeah, let's keep in touch.
Yeah, for sure.
And if I'm ever in UK, I'll stop by.
Definitely. Next year, hoping to have my own stand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
All right. Peace.
Oh, sick. You still want anti-social social club?
Since 40 years, it's hard to be 4 years, and the Diablo GT.
Nice.
We're looking to sell this one.
It's my dream car. Yeah. Such a sick car. Is it a wrap or is it factory plate?
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. We do a lot of tuning. We do a lot of RS3s.
Okay.
So when we're tuning them, we upsell the seat for the price. Always fit a lot of bonus.
Awesome.
It's really popular. Every car gets one.
Awesome.
Because it stops the engine docking.
Yeah.
Our video.
Oh yeah.
That's so sick.
I'm building my RS3 motor right now.
Oh wait, how's it going?
I don't have the piston ring collapsing that I need. So that's what I'm waiting for right now.
Okay.
But I'm just,
Audi make a factory one, but it's really expensive.
I just ordered Wiseco ones.
Yeah, Wiseco ones, we use them for the McLarens.
Yeah.
They're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So have you got it all stripped? What pistons and rods are you using?
JE pistons.
JE ones are really good. IE Tuscan. Yeah, they're really good.
I just got the IROS stage 1 kit.
Right.
All the bolts and everything.
Sweet, man.
You guys have the closest video out there to have the time list.
Oh,
So I was
yeah.
just watching those videos and I ordered up the kit, the bridge, and everything.
No
Build it
way.
yourself, yeah.
That's so sick, man. Sweet, man. If you need any advice, you can hit us up. That's sick, man. So we find it easier to drop out from the bottom.
I just took the front clip off because I didn't really see a way that would clear the transfer case. Development box.
So you take the front off there.
You take the prop shaft out,
Yep.
and then you take the subframe off, and then it just drops straight at the bottom. You can put it on the table. Yeah, you have to take the subframe off. I take it you left the subframe in. Yeah, okay. Yeah, if you take the subframe off, then you can drop the engine straight at the bottom. Well, yeah, man, what turbo kit and stuff are you going to go for?
TT
855, run on ethanol. Yeah, you guys are lucky, you guys get it at the pump. We don't, we're stuck with shitty 99.
It's not I live up north, and they don't have it around me, so I have to travel, and I just fill up a drum and keep it at my house.
That's so sick, man. Sweet, man, good luck. Who's going to tune it? Darren.
Double D2.
Yeah, double D tuning. Sweet, man. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you, man. Thank you for the support.
Yeah.
Maybe still left the DPF. It's twin turbo as well.
There is no way they'll have to
It's got DPF to
This
it.
will be changed.
It just dies down the wall.
I mean, it wasn't nice anyway.
Okay.
Alright, man. How you doing? Sean.
Sure.
Alright.
Yeah. Busy, really big.
Yeah, it's huge, man. No, first time. On when you used to work for Performance.
That's right.
What was it called? Performance company. Used to write P3 entry company.
That's right.
So you're working with Hypercross now?
Yeah, I'm just bike cross now.
Oh man. How's it going?
Really good. Really good. How's the business?
So busy. We've got into the McLaren market now, so the McLarens are just really taking off because we've got the world's fastest McLaren just now.
Okay.
So we're pushing the platform further. It's sick. Like we're working out, figuring out all the new stuff and all the R&D.
I do one for the 650 and the 540.
Okay. If I sent you a sample, well,
If you can send me, if you've got a car,
If you got an airbox, that'd be really helpful.
I can send you an airbox. Yeah.
Send us an airbox.
I can send you an airbox. I can send you the filter complete. No problem. Yeah.
that's what we need, because we need to do a test fit.
Okay.
As long as we've got the airbox, the test fit.
I'll send you one as soon as I get back to
You
you.
can reverse
That's
engineer
fair.
from a panel, but it's really helpful.
Yeah, I'll send you the airbox.
To test for like cabin pressures and stuff like that.
I'll meet you after all this time as well.
Yeah. Alright guys, enjoy YouTube videos. They're really good. I like them. Your engineering team is sick.
Yeah.
Like the whole brand, like Steelworks, everything is sick. So I have been looking for a twin turbo kit for my Performance, and I think I'm going to go for the AMS one because I've been looking the way you make the oil line. But I want to go for a G40 or G42 kit.
Okay.
Someone posted something in the Facebook and they mentioned that it's not quite ready yet.
So yeah, the G40, G42 kit, we're doing those in the house right now, but I think we're very close to releasing, right?
We're pretty close. We're getting there, yeah.
That'll be what, an Alpha 20 or something?
Alpha 16 and Alpha 20.
Yeah, Alpha 16 is what we call the G40 kit.
Right.
Those will make over 1,600 wheel horsepower. But yeah, that's 16 and then the Alpha 20 kit, 2,000 plus wheel horsepower.
So I've got, okay, another question. I've got an R8 and the Performance.
Yeah.
Which one would you twin turbo first?
First,
So currently we've got the world's fastest McLaren. We do a lot of McLarens.
Okay.
The R8 and the Performance is his personal projects.
Okay.
So we want to, I don't know which one to twin turbo first.
Which do you?
Yeah, are you drag racing it or more, but just
I want to get the European or the UK record at least.
Okay. The Performante is lighter a little bit. So that's the only thing. But they both. I mean,
the R8 rides a little smoother, but
if you're going just for speed, just like they're power-wise, they make the same power. R8's a little heavier. That's about it. It's a
okay, man, it's cool. We do a lot of RS3s, stuff. We're quite popular in the UK for RS3s, so that engine is more or less similar. It's like two of them. I mean, not like for like, but we're used to building nowadays. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice bottom end. It's a great engine, man. They make like 1200 horsepower, like 40 psi, 45 psi. So.
Have you talked to someone at AMS already, or do you have someone?
I was speaking to someone a couple of months ago, but I've been deciding which one to go for. But I'm ready to bite the bullet.
Card? Really?
But yeah, man. Fueling wise, another question. Your fueling solution, does it suffer from fuel starvation?
On the V10?
On the V10 with your fuel pump kit?
It is. Our kit is designed to mimic the factory system exactly, except a lot more capacity. So it'll literally, I have a video of me doing a full power pull in our R8 with the light on the red, and it says 12 miles to empty. No fuel starvation. I know. Ours is, it's challenging to replicate that. So everything is no external surge tank. So you're not putting a fuel cell in your engine bay or anywhere else, because I think it's a safety thing. Yeah. It's all inside the factory tank.
Yeah, that's the way I like it.
So it's all replicates the factory stuff. Lines come out of there, they go to the fuel rails. But everything's inside the tank, and it's a system where it doesn't starve. It'll literally run it down to basically.
I've known you guys since I've got my own shop, but before I did, the A45, you made a really cool intake for the A45, and it was the best one back in 2016, 2015. Yeah, man. So followed you guys for a long time.
Is that the same run?
730 run, yeah. So the reason it works, because like someone asked about the turbo kit. Well, turbo kit is one thing, right? But it's the suspension.
I know, it's everything.
It's how do you prevent it from doing a wheelie? Well, we use special. We have a system in place. There's no GPS traction control. There's laser right-hand sensors for wheelie control. Oh yeah, it's a whole. And then you have to program. It's not just like we'll put laser right-hand sensors on it. It's how do you integrate it with the Motec? How do you program it? How do you do the strategy? So there's a whole bunch of things that go on. TCU tuning we do. So the guys are out there tuning the TCU and the Motec. So it all works. It works well together. It doesn't pull the tires off. It doesn't. Sorry?
I read one of your posts on Facebook about the TCU, the way people are tuning them, blah 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 blah.
Yeah. It's also all together. So again, we love to work with you guys. But I recommend whatever you choose one path, right? If you're gonna work with us, try to use all our parts, because it'll just make life way easier. And we're dealing with some of the people now that are coming to us. Hey, I got this kit. This guy's tuning it. This transmission and that. These cars been down for a year, or 18 months, and it's like.
We're consulting on a lot of the car builds at the moment, and I know exactly what you're talking about.
You save yourself $10,000.
You saved yourself
you lost a year,
and time,
and you're frustrated. You're not enjoying the car.
And the car doesn't run.
Yeah.
The one in front of the gun lives forever. The one in front of the gun forever. And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. $8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, nice to meet you too.
WhatsApped you a couple of 6 months ago now.
Sweet.
We were when we got the P1, we were talking about engine blocks. Yeah, because I had one in the UK, but we were talking about logistics and yeah, man. How are you getting on with the P1?
Oh, good. I mean, it's it's almost done.
It's almost done.
No, I mean, we got to get the wiring harness and get it started and all that stuff.
Yeah, a lot left then.
Yeah, quite a bit.
Yeah, man. What did you do with the engine? Did you put a 4-liter engine in?
Yeah, 4 liter fully built. Yeah.
Yeah, and then what about the manifolds and the turbos?
So turbos, manifolds are 720. Turbo is going to be custom, so we'll be doing 1300 wheel horsepower.
Nice, man. Nice, cool. What about fueling? What are you
So fueling, so this has a triple pump setup from the factory.
From the factory?
From the factory.
Triple pump?
Yeah,
Nice.
the P1 has a triple pump setup. And so we're just going to do custom fueling,
Nice.
bigger injectors.
I think triple pump will be enough for what you need.
I think so too, yeah.
I know you've got the 720 manifold on there as well. I think you need that for the double injectors.
Yeah. So that so it's a full 720S setup there.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Sweet. When do you think you have on the road? Because I'm looking forward to...
Hopefully springtime. Yeah, springtime.
Have you spoken to them about tuning it?
Yeah, they're going to be doing it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Look forward to seeing it on the road.
Yeah, wonderful, man.
Is it going to be with the hybrid motor as well?
No. Just
so you're getting rid of the hybrid motor?
Yeah.
So, do you know what controls the hybrid motor? Is it the stock ECU or is it something else?
No, it's not the ECU. It has its own controller. So it has its own unit, and then you just take that out.
If you get rid of it, will it still run?
That's a good question. We'll find out.
That's very interesting. And I look forward to seeing it run.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
It's one of my dream cars.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah, it's one of my dream cars.
Awesome.
The P1. So awesome, man. Good job. All right,
so
keep
much.
up. No problem. Good to meet you.
Hey yo, Jim, man, why don't you kick some of that, you know? You know how you do it, man. It's a trip, people don't even believe we're together right now. But tell your story, you know the one I like. Say it for me.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born.